Hello, guys. I hope you are doing great. Welcome to a new English session. My name is Tania Bonilla. I'm here to help you guys. You can write me through the chat or the platform or through my email. I will ask you to pay attention to the activities. Take your time to do each activity, but follow step by step. If you cannot understand something, just play the video again or ask me. Don't worry. In the class, I will ask you to write in your notebook or in the platform where I will be able to see if you have received the class. Also, we will use the English book. I will provide to you some link to practice, so you need to go to the link and practice. I will be able to see your practice too. Remember that if you do all the practice at the end of the semester, you will have an extra point, and you know that it is part of your attendance. You need to the 75% of your attendance to pass the subject. Let's start. In the first activity, guys, watch the pictures, read the question below, and answer it. I will give you 3 minutes to do it. Okay, the time is over, guys. Now, let me share with you the answer. So, when we go to the shopping, we usually buy clothes, cell phone, computer, and it's refrigerator and so on. It means these are elements of shopping. In this activity, you need to buy one of these elements. We have a dress, shoes, computer, cell phone. Just imagine you are on the mall and you see all of these elements. So, in the platform, you have a specific space where you can write one of these just to see what you buy. Now, read the questions and answer them in your notebook. I will give you 2 minutes. So the time is over, guys. What did you buy? In my case, if I were in the mall, I could buy the beautiful dress. So, and I feel happy, of course. Now, let's go to the other activity. Open your notebook, go to the page 29 and read carefully the article. I will give you 2 minutes to do it. I'm caught up in time and I'm blue. I don't miss all the fun that we had. You'll always around me. Where are you now? Okay, guys. The time is over. Let's continue. Here we have a song exercise based on the reading. Read them and answer true or false. I will give you 2 minutes more.
Living on my own, I know I'm to blame. I'm locked in my chains, and you're free, falling like a stone. I'm down on the ground, I'm tied up and bound, and you're
Let's continue. In this part, read the following rules about first and second conditional. I will give you 2 minutes.
you're always around me. Where are you now?
Okay, in here we have first and second conditional. In the first conditional are for possibilities in the present or in the future. Its structure is if plus simple present, comma, simple future. It is important to use comma in these sentences. So the example that we have here, if it rains, I will stay at home. First, we use simple present, then we use comma, and we use will to indicate future. In the second conditional, we have if plus simple past, comma, present conditional. So for the verb to be, we use were, even if we are talking for first, second, or third person. For example, in the second statement that we have, if I were you, so we don't say if I was you, I would quit smoking. So if I were you, I would quit smoking. Here we have more explanation, first versus second conditional. So in the first conditional we have if clause condition, which is the condition to have the result. And we have a clear example here. If you study, the result will be you will pass the exam. So if you want to pass the exam, it means you need to study, which is the condition. And in the second conditional, we use if clause conditional, comma, and the result where we can use would, could, might, plus infinitive. If I won the lottery, I will buy a yacht. If I have a bird salary, I will travel more. So in here we have studied the structure and we have clear examples to understand that part of the grammar. So guys, it's time to practice in this. As I have said you, so I will provide to you some link for each practice. You have to click on that and you will be able to go to the practice, and I will be able to see if you have get the practice. So remember, you are working individual. Read carefully each statement and write the verb into the brackets in the blank space using first and second conditional. So in here, you will decide if you use first conditional or second condition. For example, we have the first statement that said, if I see, it means if I saw John, I will tell him your news. So the condition to tell the news is if I saw John. Let's go to the next one. You need to read carefully each statement, rewrite these sentences by putting them in the correct order. So guys, you need to analyze each of them. We have 5 exercises. And you have also the link. Don't worry. Let's go to the last practice. Read the following statement, then underline the mistake in the second or first conditional sentence and write the correct word on the line. So in the first example we have, if it rains tonight, we can go to the cinema. As we have been studying, you will analyze if it is possible to have both sentences in the simple present. It means you need to change one of that. And the last activity, you guys, you will write 5 sentences reference to clothes, shoes, homes, cell phones, and computer in a Word document using first and second real conditional. Then you will send it to the teacher through the platform or through the email. It is important to be original, so don't take the example from the internet, because you are able to do it. Now you can do it. You can do it, and so it is important for you to practice. Remember, guys. Thank you for your attention. Continue working hard. Remember that you are able to do whatever you want. Thank you. See you later.